at him.
Oh my God! Look at him jump! It's a lizard, buddy.
Yikes.
Oh my gosh!
Cut right here.
Ma? What did you say?
Save me! It's gonna eat my friend!
Oh my
If you don't confess, I'll start interrogating the chair.
The chair knows everything. Can't inform it!